First of all, I want to say really huge thank you to Malta, because you really so supportive, and tomorrow I will perform in a special event, which really such a great opportunity for me, especially to sing about Ukraine, to say about war in Ukraine. I know that it's really amazing place to visit, to be here, but unfortunately I'm here because of war in Ukraine, and I think I'm so grateful to everyone who organized this event, and it's really big honor for me to be in others great musicians on the stage. Do you know that all funds collected will go to support Ukraine and for their secondary school, for their girl Rebecca, and I think the music can really unite people. Music can do even more than we think about it. That it's really can unite maybe on this event just for 2 hours. But I hope that it helps to Ukrainians, to refugees, to all people who are really needs this support through the music, through the songs. And I really appreciate for all organizers for this event, for this show.